In today's video, we will see how the motor parts making process is done in the factory. The manufacturing process starts with the melting of raw materials of aluminium notch bars. Here, the aluminium bars are sent for melting in the melting pot. Flux is added to speed up the melting process. After that, the melted aluminium is poured into the injection moulding process. Here, the end shield is taken out and the excess part is removed. Now the end shield is placed into a turning machine to get the perfect shape. So here the end shield of the motor is ready. Now, the motor frame is made by pouring molten aluminium into an injection moulding process. After that, the frame body of the motor is ready and is taken out from the mould. Here, the extra part is removed from the frame body. Now, the motor frame is ground to remove sharp edges. Then, the motor frame is sent for the turning process to get the smooth surface. Finally, the motor frame and shield cap are ready. In the factory, different types of motor frame are made in this factory.